Pointer to a pointer. We can also create a pointer to a pointer. When a variable holds the address of a pointer variable, then such a variable is called pointer to a pointer. And this concept is known as double indirection. Let's see how pointer to a pointer works. Suppose again we have a variable var having value 100 and it is stored at some memory location. Then we can create a pointer p by storing this address where variable var is stored, and p becomes a pointer to var. Then we can also create a third variable which stores the address of p, and we name this variable as q, and therefore we can say q is a pointer to pointer since it is pointing to another pointer variable p which is pointing to a normal variable var. The syntax for this is data type, then 2 asterisk symbol before the pointer variable name. Let us learn how to create a pointer to a pointer in this program. So first of all, inside the main function, I have already declared and initialized an integer variable var with value 100. Now in the next step, I am going to create a pointer to this integer type, and therefore the data type of my pointer variable should also be integer because it is pointing to an integer value. Then in the next step, I am going to initialize my pointer variable by storing the address of variable var, and then we can display the value. So I'll write here cout /n value of var is equal to, well, to access the value of variable var via pointer, I can simply type here star p and then semicolon. So this is a simple way to display the values or access the values via pointers. We already have seen this in the previous program. Now this is the program of creating a pointer to a pointer. So I am going to create a pointer to a pointer, and let's name it as q, and since this is a pointer to a pointer, so we will put double asterisk sign before naming our variable, and let's name it as q. Now it's time to initialize this variable, so I will store here the address of variable p inside q, and then it's time to display the value. So if I want to display the value of variable var via double indirection or via my pointer to the pointer, then I will have to put 2 asterisk symbol and then q and then semicolon. So let's run this program, and here in the output you can see value of var is 100 via pointer p, and value of var is once again 100, and this has been accessed via pointer to a pointer.